Selamat datang di channel Atmaja Viral. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel ini. Dan seperti biasa, saya akan berdoa agar kalian diberikan kesehatan dan kesuksesan. Amin. Welcome back guys. Kita akan kembali lagi mengamati perkembangan dari The Beautiful Song Putri Ariani. Nah, kali ini ada reaktor yang mungkin sangat-sangat keren sekali. Dan wanita ini sampai kaget dan shock guys. Wanita dari luar negeri ini sangat-sangat ngefans sekali dengan Putri Ariani. Saat melihat penampilan Putri Ariani di semifinal Agate, dia sangat-sangat terkejut bahwa penampilan Putri Ariani sangat-sangat keren sekali. Dan ya, saya salvok juga ada yang komen, kenapa saat Putri Ariani bernyanyi saat nada tinggi agak-agak gitu kok kamu nggak komen. Nah guys, dan saya perjelas ya. Saat itu Putri Ariani menahan suaranya untuk melepaskan, dan kita juga melihat saat getaran-getaran di suaranya itu tadi, Putri Ariani langsung melepaskan nada yang sangat-sangat fenomenal, yaitu nada tinggi dan halus sekali. Nah, saya yakin Putri Ariani saat itu mengonsep dengan nada seperti itu. Dia menahan dulu dan nanti terus dikeluarkan saat di ujung lagu. Dan itulah teknik vokal, guys. Kalian jangan jangan mencari-mencari kesalahan lah ya intinya. Dan oke, tanpa terlalu banyak cerita di depan, link video original ada di deskripsi paling bawah. Yuk kita menonton videonya. Let's go guys.
Selamat datang teman-teman, which is Indonesian for welcome friends. And thank you so much for clicking on this video. Now, many of you know Putri Ariani just performed on America's Got Talent semi-finals, and you best believe that I voted for her, and I hope you did too. I put in as many votes as I possibly could and told as many people to go vote for her, so I hope you voted. But I have been waiting to watch this video with you guys, and she is going to be singing I Still Haven't Found What I'm Looking For by U2, and we are going to watch it today and get to see her performance last night on America's Got Talent. So thank you for clicking on this video. Let's listen to Putri blow our minds. Oh
my god.
Ooh! Oh, she looks beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. The spotlight shining down on her. Oh my goodness. And she's playing the piano. Who knew? Oh my gosh. Just everything. Her outfit is gorgeous. She is just amazing. I'm very excited to see how she does this.
Thank you.
Oh. Oh.
But I still haven't found.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, dia terkejut, guys.
Hit those high notes. Oh my goodness. That vocal range is coming out tonight. Go Putri. Hang on. I gotta hear that again.
But I still
Ready.
haven't
Oh!
what I'm looking for.
My heart. Oh.
I believe in the kingdom come.
Oh.
Then all the colors will bleed into
Wow.
one.
I
guys,
have
asli.
goosebumps. As soon as the piano
Tuh
came
kan,
in,
sama.
instant goosebumps. I feel like crying because of how beautiful she's singing. Oh my goodness.
You broke the bonds and you lose a chance. Carry the cross and my shame. Oh, my shame.
Wow.
You know I believe.
Oh my, she is absolutely straight from heaven, an angel. Everybody in the audience back here was standing up because she deserves it. She deserves a standing ovation.
Wow,
this
thank
is
you.
amazing. Also, thank you for subscribing.
My shame.
Oh.
You know I believe.
Oh.
But I still haven't found.
She has such a good presence on the stage. She just takes over. It's amazing. She just has this natural talent. I don't even, I'm speechless. Like I feel like crying. This is so beautiful. She's got the most beautiful gown draped over the seat, and she's got this gorgeous white grand piano. Oh my gosh, this is just it doesn't get better than this. I'm obsessed.
Looking for, but I still
Wow, tinggi sekali. Nah, itu dia ditahan, guys.
Oh my
Lalu terus dilepaskan di ujung lagu.
Look at look at Simon's face. That's mine. I'm like, oh my gosh. I gotta hear that again. Hang on.
Itu ditahan terus dilepaskan di ujung lagu. Nah, itu seni vokal namanya.
what I'm looking.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh my gosh. I have so many goosebumps on my arm. I have chills.
Dia
That was
merinding,
the
guys.
most beautiful thing I've ever heard. Oh,
Putri Ariani.
oh my gosh. All of the judges are standing. This is a legend in the making. This is iconic.
Simon.
Okay, I got to hear what the judges say.
Putri, I'm actually kind of speechless right now.
Yes!
Look, you know what? What I was
Okay, if you make Simon speechless, that's saying something because he's hard.
thinking was, first of all, what a beautiful voice you've got. What a beautiful version. And honestly, Putri, this is why I still do this job, for moments like this, genuinely.
Yes.
Because that was so beautiful.
Yes.
And I do want to thank you too, because, you know, they don't clear their songs, because I understand this. A lot of bands don't clear their songs, but they cleared this song for Putri to sing because they saw her audition.
Wow. So that's very cool. You two gave her permission to sing this song, and he said not a lot of bands do that. So shout out to you two. This song is about to blow up even more. So that was smart of them to let her sing this song, and she killed it.
And they knew how much this would mean to her, and I cannot thank you enough, because I think you've just hopefully changed this girl's life.
Thank you so much.
Sophia.
I don't think I've ever heard something more beautiful in my life.
Yes, me too. That was the most beautiful thing I've ever heard in my life.
That was
Thank you.
spectacular. Every note, the feeling, what you were like, I mean, making us feel, it was amazing. One of my favorite songs of all time.
All of the judges are speechless. You can tell they're just like, I feel the same. I'm like trying to come up with the words to describe that. And it's just, you can't. That's just beautiful and amazing. Like that was a moment that I'm so happy that I got to share with you guys. It's just amazing.
I think this was the perfect act.
Heidi.
Wow.
You sounded so beautiful, and I thought to myself, this is probably what it sounds like when an angel is singing.
Wow.
Did I not say that
Thank
she's
you.
an angel? I need to be a judge on America's Got Talent. I got this, guys.
And I thought to myself, this is probably what it sounds like when an angel is
Yeah.
singing. Literally. So beautiful.
Thank you.
And I do hope that Bono gets to hear this, and
Yes.
I wish you all the luck. I mean, you have a stunning.
Bono better reach out to her and ask to sing this with her. That enough said.
That Bono gets to hear this, and I wish you all the luck. I mean, you have a stunning, stunning, stunning voice.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Great comment, Howie.
Perfection.
Perfection. She has to win. Go vote. I don't know if you can still vote, but if you can, go. I already voted. We have to help Putri Ariani win America's Got Talent, although she doesn't really need our help. She is just amazing on her own, but she needs our help. We got to vote for her.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Putri Ariani inspires me so much. I
Yes.
love her. I love all my friends in Indonesia. I hope to visit one day. And I'm so happy to make all these new friends. So shout out to, if you're from Indonesia, shout out to you. Welcome to the channel. I hope you consider subscribing so that we can watch amazing moments like this together again. And thank you guys so much for watching and supporting Putri Ariani. Go check out her channel. Everything about her is down in the description, so please go check that out and let me know what you thought about this video. Thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to see her win America's Got Talent. Let's go, Putri. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. In case nobody has told you today, I love you, God loves you, and peace.
Wow, amazing sekali guys. Jadi wow, keren dan keren. Nah, kita juga melihat reaktor ini pertama kalinya melihat bahwa suara Putri Ariani itu seperti malaikat bernyanyi, dan kali ini juri juga bilang seperti itu guys, seperti malaikat bernyanyi. Dan wow, memang nada-nada yang dimainkan oleh Putri Ariani dan itu sangat-sangat keren sekali. Nah, kita semakin melihat ini adalah sebuah anugerah yang diberikan kepada Putri Ariani guys. Jadi ya, ini menjadi sebuah motivasi buat kita semua. Semua orang memiliki kelebihannya masing-masing. Wow, amazing. Keren dan keren sekali guys intinya. Dan alhamdulillahnya kabar terbaru ini Putri Ariani lolos ke finalis. Wow, keren sekali. Setelah tampil di babak semifinal, Putri Ariani menjadi finalis. Wow, keren sekali. Dan Putri ikut lagi nanti di ajang Agate di final yang lebih lanjut lagi. Wow, ini sangat mendebarkan bagi kita semua, dan pastinya kita bangga semua memiliki Putri Ariani. Dan keren sekali, terbukti penampilan Putri Ariani sangat-sangat memukau banyak penonton dan bagi juri juga. Dan ada komentar yang sangat-sangat lucu sekali. Bang, kok nggak dikomenin sih, nggak komentar kalau suara Putri Ariani itu bergetar saat nada tinggi. Nah, itu teknik vokal, itu seni vokal. Saat itu Putri Ariani menahan suaranya untuk melepaskannya di ujung lagu. Itu adalah hal yang sangat keren sekali guys. Gak semua orang memiliki teknik seperti itu. Itu sangat-sangat sulit sekali untuk dipelajari. Jadi spektakuler sih menurut saya. Jadi wow, amazing. Oke. Dan apa tanggapan kalian teman-teman? Tulis saja di kolom komentar. Kita juga bisa berdiskusi di situ. Dan sekian video kali ini. Dan jika ada kesalahan kata dari saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.